Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So my fears for this thing still continue. So it's still looking like something I don't really want to be involved in. Look where the oscillators are grouped at the moment, right at the top. Okay, and when your stochastics are grouped like that, it's always a warning. Yes, it can continue for some time, like it did in the past, but it's always a warning that you need to be paying very close attention. We're still grinding higher, but pin bar, indecision bar, pin bar, even call it a small hanging man, it doesn't fill me with confidence that we're going to keep moving up. I want to see a pullback. So this is still a market that I'm really not interested in getting involved in just yet. The other thing that's happening here is we are consolidating a bit here. So there's the top and there's the bottom. You could argue that we have a break of that. Could argue that's a flat top triangle, or you could argue that that's a wedge. For me at the moment, there's no clear picture, so it's not something that I really want to get involved in. And if we bring this down to the hour, you'll see what I'm talking about here. So yesterday was pretty much a nothing day due to the US public holiday. So nothing really happened in Europe. At the moment, the Dow is down 0.5%. So I would expect a bit more structure to form. So if we do something like this, and we assume that that is the level that we're trying to get through, which was this previous high. We gapped up above yesterday, and then we just couldn't get through there. So that's a level that we need to look at. Where is the next logical level for this range? And that is it there. So the Dow's in a range. I'm assuming that we're going to hit the bottom here, 13.734. That may start prickling my interest for a move to the upside. But for me at the moment, I'm really not interested in this. And if we go to the Ichimoku, it's not going to give us much difference. So we just started at 12 here. You'll see we are above the cloud on the 12. We've got crossovers, twists all over the place, all through yesterday. That's just an indication of ranging. If we come to the hour, you'll see flat Kijis and flat Dickinson. We are ranging. Flat cloud, we are ranging. So where's the bottom of the range? I mean, that should be the question. So the first one is there, which is 13.762. And the next one, which is the one I'm more inclined to believe, is somewhere in this area of 13.732. We could also tag that area there, which would be 13.718. Okay, so anything between 13.700 and 13.740, I think, 730, would be the area that I'd be looking to get long on this. I think that's where you should find some structure brewing. Right now on the 4 hour, everything is bullish, but yet again, Kijisen is flat, Dickinson is flat, and the interesting thing here is Kijisen is starting to move towards Dickinson, so that's also a warning sign. If that stays flat and this starts moving up and we do a crossover, that's a warning sign for a decent pullback as well. Okay, and just looking at the daily, this thing is tired. So oscillator saying we're tired. Kijisen, Dickinson drifting apart like that. Price so far away from Kijisen at the moment. That is really tired. So we either want to see a decent range form or we want to see a pullback. Either way, this is not something I'm trading today again. I'll wait for some structure, for something to happen. And I think I'm not the only one based on the price action that I see at the moment. The buyers are still coming in, but they're not accelerating this thing higher than sort of the previous highs at the moment. So I'll wait for some structure before looking at this again. Okay, so in other words, I'm not trading the DAX. We'll look for something different. Okay, guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and I'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.